Hi, this is Amy, and I am doing a video on creating a transcript that will then be uploaded into YouTube to create subtitles for a video. And the reason why teachers should do this is because it follows ADA compliance. With ADA, you are expected to provide access via multiple means to your content. And one of the ways you do that is by providing a transcript to a video or providing closed captioning for a video or both. So here is the first way you can do that. I have a video that I created in my Google Drive, and I need to then create a transcript for it. Over here on this side, I have a transcript that I created, and the way that I did that is I used the voice typing tool in Google Docs. When I click on that tool, it opens up this little microphone. And the best practice is to have a headset on, and the headset has a microphone. When you play the video, you can hear it playing through your headphones, but you're speaking the words after you've listened to them or as you're listening to them into the microphone and pausing where needed. Just as with the auto transcript creator in YouTube, you're going to have to edit your transcript to make it clear. That will be changing caps to lowercase and vice versa, adding punctuation where punctuation is needed, and making sure that the document matches up with the content in the video. A second way to add a transcript to a YouTube video is to begin with a presentation that already has speaker notes that you can then copy and paste into a Google Doc and upload that into YouTube. Here, I began with a presentation, and I would use this section right here as the screencasted area, and then I would read my presentation notes as I did the screencast. This basically makes a cleaner presentation because you're not dealing with the pauses and the ums and the uhs and the additional junk that happens in a screencast that's unscripted. Once I've uploaded a video into YouTube, I have a third option. Here I am in Creator Studio, and I have a video up here that I'm going to click Edit for. Then go up to the top and click Subtitles. Click Add New Subtitles, English, and then click Create New Subtitles or CC. Up here at the top is a sign that says this content has been auto-generated. I can remove this auto-generated content by clicking the X over here. Now, it's important to recognize the fact that YouTube will not create the transcript for you right away. You'll need to play through the video a couple of times on YouTube itself, and then the content will be auto-generated for you. In other words, don't expect to have a transcript auto-generated for you as soon as you open up that video for the first time. Play it a couple of times, and then YouTube will be able to create that content for you. But notice that this content is not perfect. It has listened to what I said and tried its best to create a transcript for me that goes along with my voice. So if I scroll down here, I can see that voice line down at the bottom of my screen right here. And I can see where I can pull or push the speech bubbles where I want them to go according to that content. You will have to go in and change the grammar and make it to where it looks like it's in English and not in some other weird language. Once you're done with that, you can then go and click Save Changes, and you will have subtitles available for your students. You can also then grab this content over here and create a transcript and share that file with your students that way as well. For those of you who used Google voice typing to create your transcript, you will have gone through and corrected all of the grammar, and then you can copy and paste this content into YouTube the same way. Just click Add New Subtitles, click English, but this time click Transcribe and Autosync. You'll paste your transcript here and then click Set Timings. Notice I have a draft. If I click this Setting Timings button, it shows that my video transcript is being created, the timings are being set, and I need to check back soon. Once my timings have been set, I can then go in and check to make sure that everything is located within the video where it needs to be, again by pulling and pushing these pieces according to what I hear on the video. So I should play it through to make sure that my timings are set correctly. Once they are, then I click Save Changes. Now I see that my subtitles are published, and I can direct my students to utilize the closed caption button to access the subtitles and share that Google Doc transcript with them so that they can access the transcript in another way. One final note is to speak clearly in your videos so that if you do use the auto transcript creator in YouTube, it can create a better transcript for you. That's it for me. If you have any questions, please see your LMT.